Most people think the robot age is about humanoid robots, but that is only the final product. Behind every intelligent machine is an entire ecosystem of technologies working together. Today, we explore that ecosystem and why the biggest opportunity may be much larger than the robots themselves. Think of the robot age as a value chain. Every layer depends on the others. Without AI, there is no intelligence. Without vision, robots cannot understand the world. Without motors and precision components, they cannot move. And without all these layers working together, humanoid robots simply would not exist. The most visible layer is humanoid robots. These are the machines capturing headlines around the world. Companies are racing to build robots that can work in factories, warehouses, hospitals, and eventually inside our companies are racing to build robots that can work in factories, warehouses, hospitals, and eventually inside our homes. But humanoid robots are only the tip of the iceberg. Long before humanoids appeared, industrial robots were already transforming manufacturing. For decades, they have assembled cars, welded metal, packaged products, and automated production lines. Today's humanoid robots are built on the experience and technologies developed by the industrial robotics industry. Every robot also needs a brain. Modern robots rely on powerful AI models trained inside massive data centers. Before a robot ever takes its first step, it spends countless hours learning inside virtual simulations. This combination of compute, AI, and simulation gives robots the ability to understand, reason, and make decisions in the physical world. But learning never stops. Every robot deployed into the real world generates new data. That data improves future AI models. Better models create better robots. Those robots collect even more data. This continuous learning loop may become one of the biggest competitive advantages in the robot age. Of course, intelligence alone is not enough. Before a robot can think, it must first see. Advanced cameras, image sensors, laser systems, and AI vision processors allow robots to recognize objects, estimate depth, and safely navigate complex environments. Robot vision gives machines the awareness they need to interact with the real world. Seeing is only half the challenge. A robot also needs to move. Every action depends on precision motors, actuators, gears, and motion control systems. These components transform digital decisions into real, physical movement. They are the muscles and joints behind every intelligent machine. As these technologies mature, robots will move far beyond factories. We will see them in logistics, healthcare, education, retail, hospitality, security, and eventually inside millions of homes. Every new application expands the entire ecosystem. That is why many investors may be asking the wrong question. Instead of asking who will build the winning robot, a better question might be, which companies will supply every robot? Because every humanoid will need AI, vision, motors, and precision components. The robot age is not one company, one breakthrough, or one robot. It is the convergence of artificial intelligence, robotics, semiconductors, sensors, manufacturing, cloud computing, and energy. Together, these technologies are creating one of the biggest industrial transformations of our generation. Humanoid robots may capture the headlines, but the real story is the ecosystem behind them. Understanding that ecosystem is the first step toward understanding the opportunities of the robot age. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Navixa for smarter market insights.